Very good morning. This is Professor M.J. Azam, Scientific Secretary of Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention. It's my honor and privilege to be here with you. And we believe Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention is the platform where we can develop our fellows and make exchange program to our international society like Society of Coronary Angiographic Intervention, Asia Pacific Society of Cardiovascular Cardiology, and National International Council India. Everyone we know, we are really passing very hard time during this COVID endemic era. We are passing very unprecedented time. Despite this awkward situation, we believe the person who are in person and in virtually attend this program really enjoy the wonderful program. And today we have honored, we have the guest like Professor Jack Tang, President of Asia Pacific Society of Cardiology, and Dhiman Kahli from Chairman NIC from India. And we hope Professor Timothy Henry, President of SKY, will join virtually, though it is the late night in this his location. And we also honored to have our scientific chair, Professor Fazil Malik, and this session is chaired by Professor Mir Jamaluddin, Secretary General of Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention. And our initially, just to give the welcome address, our Professor Fazlur Rahman sir is the President of Secretary of Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention, will give his first talk to introduce BSCI and give his direction for the future direction. Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention Community for Coronary Disease, Structural Heart Disease Intervention within the Cardiology Division. We believe Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention is committed to improve patient care outcome through the highest quality educations. BSA strive to combine the right knowledge and interventional skill that empower the interventional cardiologists to put theory into practice and to improve coronary artery disease structural and peripheral vascular disease management for the benefit of our patients. As an international community, SKY, APSC, and NIC, with the collaboration with them, we aim to integrate aligned applied clinical research, education, and community development functions into one direction. Today, we are here to improve global community through partnership with national key opinion leaders with lifelong friendship and relationship. We will help you access our knowledge and network and get involved in new opportunities that advance interventional cardiology patients care. Now, I am really happy and believe next 2 days we will enjoy a wonderful session. Now I am requesting Professor Akram Fazlur Rahman, who is the President of Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention, for his introductory speech. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum, Honorable Chairperson, Secretary General of Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention, Professor Mir Jamaluddin, Director NICBD, Scientific Chair, my teacher, Professor Fuzilatul Nessa Malik, President APSC, Professor Jack Tang, President SKY, Professor Timothy Henry, Chairman NIC, Dr. Dhiman Kahali, and distinguished participants from home and abroad. Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning to you all. Dear delegates and distinguished guests, this time is very unprecedented here during second wave of COVID in Bangladesh. It is our sincere effort to organize BD intervention, BSc Annual Scientific Conference on Cardiovascular Intervention Summit in the mid of this pandemic. In spite of this life-threatening COVID pandemic and so many limitations, we have designed a wonderful scientific program incorporating different sessions and involving well-reputed national and international faculties. I hope you will enjoy the program. Dear participants, in this regards, I would like to express my gratitude to all participants, fellows, faculties from home and abroad for their presence in this august gathering. I must thank our scientific committee, executive committee, and all other members of the executive committee and Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention for their contribution to make the program a good success. I think this will be a memorable event for all of us. Thank you very much. Stay alert, stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.
Thank you, Professor Fazlur Rahman, for his wonderful speech. Now I am requesting our scientific chair, Professor Fuzilatul Nessa Malik. As you all know, her outstanding contribution throughout the society as well as national and international community. And now I'm requesting Professor Fuzilatul Nessa Malik for his welcome speech.
So friends and colleagues, it's indeed a great honor, pleasure for me to welcome you all to this BD Intervention Summit 2021, which has been organized by Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Interventions. Now, as you know, Bangladesh has made such an unprecedented progress in the field of interventional cardiology over the last few years. And it is due to the hard work of many cardiologists in Bangladesh, which has made it possible. And we have such experienced interventional cardiologists all over Bangladesh who are really working and making a difference. And not only do we have experienced interventional cardiologists, we also have this huge crowd of young, enthusiastic interventional cardiologists who want to learn, who want to make an improvement, and who want to make a mark in the field of cardiology. And indeed, this virtual program that we have arranged will really, I think, make a difference to these young interventional cardiologists, because the wonderful thing is that this conference is aligned with such three important international bodies. And I'm so grateful that the presidents of those bodies have today even joined us and are here with us. And I can see Jack And it's wonderful to have you all here. Thank you. And not only do we have these three international bodies collaborating with us, we have 60, almost 60 very famous, very experienced interventional cardiologists internationally who have be contributing to different sessions. We have our cardiologists also who will be contributing. So this is going to be a feast for us to learn, to share, and to make progress in our day-to-day activity. So thank you all for joining. And I'm really, truly grateful that I'm a part of this wonderful seminar. And thank you and enjoy the show. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Professor Fazil Malik. He is the scientific chair of our today's conference. And we hope you will enjoy this today's session. And this session is designed by our program committee for live case. And there are some recent hot topics like left main bifurcation, CTO, S television MI with partnership with APSC, and also a challenging case award session, partnership with National Intervention Council, and a partnership session with Sky CTO session. We hope you will enjoy the session. Now I'm requesting our president of APSC, Asia Pacific Society of Cardiology. He is the leader of in the Southeast Asia. He is leading our Asia Pacific Society of Cardiology, and we are really happy to have him with our program, and we believe he give us a wonderful future direction for the partnership session with APSC and BSCI, and we hope for the future opportunities. Professor Jack Tang, would you please?
Thank you very much, everyone. Good morning. First, I'd like to thank Professor Rahman, President BSCI, Professor Woodin, Professor Malik, Professor Azam, the senior leadership of this year's exciting program at BSCI. I know it's a lot of hard work. In my 5 minutes, I want to both thank the leadership and the friends in Bangladesh, as well as introduce APSC. APSC, as you know, is a congregation of 22 cardiac societies across the Asia Pacific. And we're very glad that Bangladesh has always been a very strong member within this fraternity. This is our current executive board of APSC, and Professor AMK Mohibullah has been our Zone 3 Vice President for these 2 years and has also contributed very strongly. In this period of COVID-19, education still has to go on, and both APSC and I'm very happy to say that most regional societies, including BSCI, has gone on and not stopped education for our trainees and doctors across the region. So please continue and keep up this effort, and we are very happy to work together to contribute to education for cardiovascular disease across the region. ESC Asia has also come to Singapore, and this year, in 3rd or 4th December, we have the next edition of ESC Asia. We also have a strong series of consensus statement that's been published, and we welcome people to plug in across the region to the APSC consensus statement formulations. And I'm very happy to say that by 2022, APSC will launch our JAPSC journal, and this is in collaboration with Radcliffe, the lead editor-in-chief, Professor Yeo Koon Pyong for Singapore. So again, I congratulate the team in BSCI, and I hope to collaborate strongly in the future with Bangladesh Cardiac Society as well. Thank you very much for the opportunity, everyone.
Thank you, Professor Jack Chan, for your wonderful talk. And we hope we will go more with the collaboration with APSC for our further development, especially in the field of coronary artery disease, how to combat, to develop our regional guidelines, and how to approach our case-based approach. And now I'm requesting on behalf of Sky President, Professor Tim Henry, Sangjog Karla will join with us, and he will represent the Sky Authority. I am requesting Dr. Sanjog Karla. Would you please come forward and give your welcome speech?
Thank you very much, Professor Azam. And thank you on behalf of SKY to the entire Asia Pacific Cardiovascular Society, as well as the Bangladeshi Cardiovascular Society, for their warm welcome and allowing SKY to partner in such an important meeting. We indeed, as you pointed out, are all going through unprecedented times. And at present, of course, Bangladesh is going through a particularly difficult time with lockdown in process, and yet you see the enthusiastic return to the table of international faculty and local faculty, all of whom are highly skilled interventionalists, to support the growth of interventional cardiology and skills and collaborative practice throughout Bangladesh and Southeast Asia. This is a testament to how great the operators and how great the physicians are, and how important the partnerships are that you each share with one another, and with which SKY is truly privileged to partner now. We're very glad to be part of this meeting, and it's my privilege to speak for a moment on behalf of Dr. Henry, who is the current president of SKY, as a member of the International Committee. We look forward to being partners with Bangladesh Intervention 2021, 2022, and in the many, many years to come. And thank you again for the opportunity to be here.
Thank you, Sanjog Karla. As you know, today's program is designed especially for fellows, and this morning this will be conducted by our national and international faculty. International faculty, they have two sessions to talk, and rest of the talks are covered by our national faculties. We hope you will enjoy the wonderful BSA Fellows course. After that, we have a plan to broadcast live cases from home and abroad. So we hope you will enjoy these live cases, challenging live cases. Now I'm requesting Professor Mir Jamaluddin, Secretary General of Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention, who is the chair of this session. And we are waiting for his future direction of the BSA initiatives and future collaboration with other society. Now I am requesting Professor Mir Jamaluddin, sir, for his welcome speech.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention Annual Scientific Conference on Cardiovascular Intervention for 8th and 9th July this year. In the midst of us, the Professor Fazilatunisa Malik, who is the scientific chair of this session. And you know, she is one of the known interventionalists in the Southeast Asia, and she has the highest number of left main PCI, bifurcation PCI, and rotablation in Bangladesh. In the midst of us, Professor Jack Tan, President APSC, by his endeavor, running the Asia Pacific Society of Cardiology, and hope that we will be able to communicate with them in by this conference, making this relationship and friendship with APSC. In our midst, there is Professor Timothy Henry, President of SKY. You know, there are many SKY fellows in Bangladesh, and Professor MJ Azam, who is the president of this SKY in Bangladesh, and Dr. Dhiman Kali, chairman of National Institute of NIC India, and with collaboration with him, we can make our interventionalist in the future with the world status. And in our midst, there is Sanjay Kalra from SKY, and Professor A.K.M. Fazlur Rahman, President Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention. All of you know Bangladesh Society of Cardiovascular Intervention is the only parent society in Bangladesh in the field of interventional cardiology. Every year, we arrange the international scientific sessions in collaboration with different societies physically. But due to COVID era, for the last 2 years, last year and this year, we are arranging this program as totally virtual due to COVID pandemic. In this year, we have also arranged this program for this 2 days long, including 4 live cases, 2 from Bangladesh, 1 from Italy, and 1 from India. And we have several sessions with the different societies like SKY, NIC, and APSC. And we hope that in collaboration with these mega societies in the world in the field of interventional cardiology, we will be able to introduce our young cardiologists with them, as well as we will be able to enrich our knowledge in collaboration with them physically when possible, but at the moment by virtually. And respected all the foreign faculties, as well as the faculties from my country, Bangladesh, and all the participants and media workers, farmers, device companies for helping us to make it success. Now I declare to open the morning session of today's, that is fully fellows course, and it also includes the speakers from home and abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I like to conclude this early morning session
opening
and declare open the scientific session, starting with fellows course. Thank you all.
Thank you, Professor Mir Jamaluddin, sir, for his kind words. Dear friends and colleagues from home and abroad, we hope all of you enjoy this wonderful fellows course. Now, the session for fellows course, by this time you will get 10 minutes to take your tea. Then just 8:35 our session will start. And our first speaker, Professor Amol Kumar Chaudhary, will be from National Faculty, and from National Faculty, Ramesh Dugaboti from US and Sangjog Karla from Canada give their talk through the virtually. And this session is conducted by Dr. Noor Alam and Dr. Vijay Datta. Hope you will enjoy. Now I'm requesting to take your tea, actual and virtual. The person who are on site, they are taking their tea
That's so good.
actually in real life, and you
Declaration.
people can take your tea from in virtually. Thank you very much. We will be come back again 8:35. Thank you very much.